At first, Chirpy was scared, but as the wind touched her wings, she felt free. She started flying higher and higher, leaving behind the tall trees. Soon, she was soaring above the clouds. All the other birds watched in awe as Chirpy, the little bird, flew the highest. "Wow, how brave she is," said the wise owl, who had never seen such courage before. "Believe in yourself, and you can achieve anything," Chirpy thought to herself. From that day on, Chirpy became the most admired bird in the forest. Not because she was the biggest or the fastest, but because she had the most courage to follow her dreams. Moral of the story: the greatest courage is facing your fears and believing in your abilities. Image prompt: a small, colorful bird with a big smile, soaring high above the clouds, with a lush green forest below. The sky is clear, and sunlight is streaming through the clouds. The bird is wearing a little red scarf around its neck, symbolizing its courage.